Monty, another famous Wellington cat. He's just down there. Hello.
Hello, sweetheart. Hey, Monty.
No. Do I smell interesting? Do you like attention? Very cute. Hey.
Monty is a famous Wellington cat, and he's a real old thing.
And very cute.
And he lives in this little house. He's not an inside cat at all.
No.
And he's having his retirement right here in his little house.
Even insulated inside.
So, Law. Hey, Monty.
Hey. You're too cute, aren't you, Monty?
So this is just a cute little Gardener Gone Wild interlude with Monty the cat. Hey, Monty. And Monty says please remember to like, subscribe and drop us a comment. You can comment on how gorgeous Monty is.
Aww.
Hey, Monty.